How to get clarity in your online business in just 5 days, even if you've been stuck for months. Second guessing every decision and wondering if you're even cut out for this. If you've been bouncing between ideas, offers, and strategies, and you're thinking, I just wish someone would tell me what to focus on first, you're in exactly the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what my free 5-day clarity challenge is, who it's for, and what you'll walk away with by the end, so you can decide if this is your next right step. Hey there! So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Isabel's AI avatar. While the real me is probably taking care of my special needs daughter or helping women launch their online businesses from home inside my membership Home Biz Builders. But everything I'm sharing comes straight from Isabel's real journey, and it's built for real life, not perfect life. Let's talk about why I even created this free 5-day clarity challenge in the first place. Most women who want to start an online business are not short on ideas. They're drowning in them. 1 minute it's coaching, then services, then digital products, then maybe YouTube, then maybe something completely different. And in the middle of all that, life is happening: kids, caregiving, work, health, everything. So starting a business ends up on the 1-day list. Not because you don't care enough or you're lazy, but because you don't have a clear, simple path. That's what this challenge is designed to give you. Not a full business in 5 days. Not a magic formula. Just clear decisions and practical next steps that actually fit your real life. Here's how the 5-day clarity challenge works. For 5 days, we focus on one simple clarity step at a time. On day 1, we look at services versus digital products. You'll decide which path makes more sense for you right now, based on your energy, schedule, and responsibilities, not someone else's version of hustle. By the end of day 1, you're not asking what's better anymore. You're saying, this is my starting lane. On day 2, we figure out who you help and what problem you solve. You'll use a simple sentence template to stop trying to speak to everyone and start speaking directly to the people you're actually equipped to help. By the end of day 2, you know who you're talking to and why they need you. On day 3, we turn that into your first simple offer idea. Not a huge course or a complicated program, just a clear, beginner-friendly service or digital product that solves one real problem. By the end of day 3, you have an idea that feels doable in the next 30 days. Not someday. On day 4, we talk about how sales funnels actually work. In plain English, you'll see how people go from finding you to trusting you to buying from you without you needing crazy tech or constant posting. By the end of day 4, you understand where your offer fits in the bigger picture. On day 5, we pull it all together with simple systems. You'll see how to create calm, repeatable steps instead of starting from scratch every time you sit down to work on your business. By the end of day 5, you're not just clear, you have the beginnings of a real, repeatable structure. Each day comes with a short, beginner-friendly video, just like this one, a workbook page with prompts and space to write, and one small, focused action step you can complete even on a busy day. You don't need to keep up with a live schedule, and you don't need to sit at your computer for hours. You can watch the videos and fill in the workbook in pockets of time, nap time, evenings, or whenever life gives you a little space. Now let's talk about who this challenge is really for. This is for you if you want to start or grow an online business from home, but you feel pulled in 10 different directions. You're on a micro budget, you don't have thousands to spend on coaches, ads, or fancy tools. You're juggling real-life responsibilities and you need a business that works around your life, not the other way around. And most importantly, you're ready to stop just consuming information and actually make decisions. This challenge is probably not for you if you're looking for a get-rich-quick formula or you want someone to build everything for you while you do nothing. I'm not going to promise overnight results. What I can promise is that if you show up for the 5 days, you will walk away with more clarity and direction than you have right now. You might also be wondering, why is this free? Honestly, because I know what it feels like to want to start or grow an online business when money is tight and life is full. I built my business on a micro budget in the middle of caregiving to my special needs daughter and real life chaos. I created this challenge so you don't have to waste months spinning like I did. And yes, I also know that when women feel clear and supported, some of them will want deeper help, which is exactly what I offer inside my membership, Home Biz Builders. But you don't have to join anything paid to get value from this challenge. You can go through the 5 days, use the workbook, and implement what you learn on your own. So here's what to do next. If you're watching this on the opt-in page, you'll see a place to add your name and email. Pop your details in there, hit the button, and I'll send you immediate access to day 1, the full 5-day Clarity Challenge workbook, and links to each video so you can go through them at your own pace. If you're watching this on Skool or YouTube, you'll find the link to join the free challenge in the description and in the pinned comment. Click that link, sign up in a few seconds, and I'll send everything straight to your inbox. You don't need to have it all figured out to start this challenge. That's the whole point. The challenge helps you get clear. If there's even a small part of you that's thinking, I really want my own thing, I just don't know where to start, this is your sign. Start with clarity. Let's make a few simple decisions together, and then you can decide where you want to go next. Add your name and email, join the free 5-day Clarity Challenge, and I'll meet you inside day 1. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you create.